So we've got another activity today. We're down in Barceloneta near the beach, and we're just going to go for a little bike ride, a little cruise around the city. It's quite a big group today, so we're just about to get our bikes and get going. It's going to be fun.
Recomiendo que lo visitéis porque tienen una pequeña discoteca y se puede ver todo Barcelona. Es una discoteca totalmente gratis.
Just outside the W Hotel here in Barcelona, at the very beginning of the beach, and we're just going to work our way along the beachfront. As we progressively work down the coastline, the beaches are going to get more tranquilo, less populated. Probably more beautiful. Here's where all the tourists are, so stay tuned for this. It's going to be big. See the W Hotel there in the background. There's people here having a great time sunbathing, just penetrating through the beach. It's a hive of activity out here in Barcelona. There's holiday makers, tourists, there's locals, there's people exercising, people on bikes, skateboards, there's activities, volleyball. Coming up to the bit where I do my exercises in the morning, the little workout station. You see what it's like in the middle of the afternoon, see how much busier it is. I go there at 6 AM, so let's have a look now. Approaching the clubs and bars, where it's Paco Rabanne in the evenings. I think we've been there before, Opium and places like that. Always been too drunk to remember. Let's go have a look, see what they're actually called. Just approaching the port here, and we're coming here and having a right nice paella with my pals last year for Rob's stag do. I think it was just over here. Just come to the end of the line, and beaches here are much more quieter, sparse. See in the background there. So I think when I come to the beach, I'll be coming down this way next time. Making our way back. Hola! Squad in the background, Camino squad. So just coming to the conclusion of our little bike ride around the city and along the beachfront. Gotta say, proper blessment that was. What I call life. Good to get out, bit of fresh air, see some people. So yeah, just gonna go back, dock our bikes, go through the city again, dock our bikes, and off to the salsa class. It's all go here in Barcelona. Hope you're enjoying Vinny B Presents so far. Stay tuned for more Barcelona Diaries.